What are Viking River cruise locks, and how do they function? Imagine sailing through a river that climbs or dips suddenly, and your ship needs a way to smoothly change elevation. That's where locks come into play. Viking River cruises often navigate rivers with many of these structures, especially on routes like the Rhine-Main-Danube Canal. Locks are essential because they help ships move between sections of water at different heights. A lock is like a water elevator for ships. It's a chamber with gates at both ends that can be opened and closed. When your Viking ship approaches, the crew guides the vessel into the lock chamber through the open gates. Once inside, the gates close behind the ship. Now, the water level inside the chamber can be adjusted. Pumps or gravity help fill or drain the chamber, raising or lowering the water level to match the next section of the river. Once the water level matches the level outside the lock, the gates at the other end open. The ship then gently moves out into the new section of water, ready for the next part of the journey. This process might take a few minutes to about 20 minutes, depending on the size of the lock and the difference in water levels. Viking ships are designed to fit into these locks easily, and the crew coordinates the process carefully. Most locks on popular cruise routes can handle ships that are up to about 135 feet long and 16 feet wide. Some locks are larger, capable of holding multiple ships at once, which speeds up the process. Modern locks often use automated systems to control water flow, making the operation safer and more efficient. Older locks might still require manual work or assistance from machinery. During a Viking River cruise, passengers often watch the lock operation from the deck. It's a fascinating sight to see the gates open and close, water levels change, and ships glide smoothly through. It's a perfect example of how engineering makes river travel possible in areas with varying elevations. In essence, locks are a clever solution to a natural challenge. They allow Viking ships to traverse different water levels safely and efficiently, turning what could be a difficult obstacle into a seamless part of the journey. This blend of engineering and travel makes river cruising a truly unique experience.